So, to summarise, I mean, modern airtight homes need some means of ventilation in order to maintain a healthy environment, ensure a high level of air quality with a home, whilst preventing issues like condensation and mould growth. The systems, MVHR systems, can offer around 90% heat recovery efficiency, meaning minimal heat's lost from extracted air. And they'll also provide precise control over the ventilation rates of the home to ensure there's no risk of overventilation leading to heat loss or underventilation leading to air quality problems. The systems are equipped with low power DC fans to ensure minimum running costs, which will help to reduce the overall energy consumption and heating costs while maintaining a fresh, healthy home environment. There's a vast range of unit and duct options available, making the system suitable for all construction types, and they can offer benefits for any new build property.